Excellency, to you. Excellency. With your, you know, your retaliation. His name is there, and your name is also here.
Yeah.
This too.
A second.
Okay.
That's really
Yeah. This is true.
carpenter's work.
No. This handmade.
Yeah.
Cut from a solid wood.
Yeah. Carpenters are working with their hands.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
We should
Yeah,
show it.
symbolism is
We should show it to the camera.
this is the stool is the symbol of the authority of the king.
Yeah.
So you say the king sits on a golden stool.
Yeah.
But you're not being given a golden stool. You're being given a wooden stool.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
this is the crest of the king, the Janche. And the crest, the coat of arms.
Thank you so much.
A lot of symbolism
Thank you so much.
embedded in here.
Yes.
And this is your name. This will be a lasting memento of your visit to the king.
We'll never forget.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.